Alright guys, so I'm about to put this Miracle Grow 4-tier mini greenhouse together. This should have been done long ago. However, I've been busy. So anyway, I'm gonna put this together and put it outside on my deck where I know I'll be checking on it on a regular basis if I see it right in front of me. I was gonna put it underneath the deck. However, I don't always go down there and check on a regular, and I want to put some of my seedlings and Hoyas out here, so I want to be able to check them daily. And I know me, so that's where it's going to go. Show you the end result. Okay guys, so here it is, all put together. And I'm just going to keep it tucked in this corner. I may turn it toward the light. We'll see. We'll see how things work out. But it fits perfectly right here. I can come out and check it daily. It was easy to put together. It took me about 20 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm glad I came out here right now because as you can see, I put some of my plants in here. And as you can see, that's quite a bit of, maybe you can't, but that's quite a bit of sun hitting that top shelf. I'm glad I came out here to check that. Some of these don't like that direct sun, so I may have to do a little adjusting. Let me see if I can adjust the umbrella. Be right back. Okay guys, so here you see the finished product. I've loaded it up with a bunch of plants. A lot of my Hoyas are in there, a couple of seedlings. Yeah, it's pretty full. That lower shelf doesn't have much because I don't know how much actual light. I do have a couple of Alocasias down there, but let me unzip it and show you what I have in here. All right, so the wind's picking up. I imagine there might be a storm nearby. I'll try to show you. I have my obovata, my calyx is back there, and this is the green carnosa, my silver sword. Next to that is my fuzzy petioles. It's grown, it's put on quite a bit of growth, but I figure the humidity won't hurt it. There's my snake plant, and back there is the silver Rian. Here is, what do you call this one again? I want to say that Hoya acuta, I think. And this little bugger, the honey, what's left of that plant. If you've been following me, you remember it had quite a few leaves, but it also had something going on with those leaves, so I chopped them and then put the plant out here. It still didn't look so great. I chopped the rest of the leaves off. This is all I have left, and I'm starting from scratch. Cut them, put them in fluval stratum. Here's my white knight, which you can see is getting bigger. And there's my, what do you call that again? Black cherry pink princess. My rosita cuttings and the obscura. Got two of them rooting in fluval. I can't speak, I'm sorry. Here's my Wyetii, and behind that is one of the queens, Hoya queen. And here's my crinkle 8. And here's the silver sword seedlings that weren't doing so hot. Black velvet down here, getting a new leaf. Cupria, also getting a new leaf. And that's pretty much it. So I may add some more here. We'll see how it goes. I'm just afraid of this thing getting toppled over. I'm not necessarily by wind because it's tucked in the corner, but by raccoons being nosy. So I may have to spray around here with some peppermint oil to keep them away. They've knocked pots over before, investigating, looking for something to eat. So that's my biggest concern. But I like it. And this way I can keep them from being watered too much by the rain. They'll be protected a bit. So we'll see how it works. I'll keep you posted. Have a great day.